In this box, we have the SmallRig L-shape hand grip for Fujifilm X-T4 LCF2813. Anyway, we've also got this box, which is a mystery box. But thanks to SmallRig, we get to check out a different range of hand grips for the X-T4. So let's crack on. And there it is. Very nice. As with all the grips I've used, Arca Swiss compatible, so super convenient if you use a tripod. It weighs 102 grams. Let's get it on the camera. Bit of slip and slide there. So nice as, oh, what's that? Right. We do have a built-in flathead screwdriver, which we're going to use. Try and do it so you can see it. And that will stay in with a magnet. That's pretty cool. So quite obviously everything's clear on that side. We've got a couple more quarter thread mount points there. The screws are indented, which is also good. Is this just a bit of fun on the side? I believe it is just a bit of a cool logo, which the light is enjoying. Yeah, I think that doesn't do anything. On the front, the grip feels better than the camera bit, actually, to be honest. They're calling it an integrated anti-slip silicone grip, and there's a little bit of give in that, which is pretty cool. Hey, I do like this. I thought that the JJC was the one I was going to use all the time, but this is even better than the JJC one turned out to be. Very nice. We've got a strap gap there. Little center point across the back, and on the front we do have that text logo again. I think that feels really nice. This could be possibly my go-to. Now, as with the L bracket, I've got to give a shout out to SmallRig for that logo printing service that I really want to try out. For an extra 77 pence, you can change the text logo on the front. So if you order direct from the SmallRig website, that might be something you'd want to do. Honestly, I'd do it if the import charges and the delivery and stuff was okay. I'll check that out before doing it myself. This one was sent by SmallRig themselves, so they didn't hook me up with that. Yeah. But it's definitely a nice idea. For now, I'm going to put the link to the product on Amazon, where I usually buy this kind of thing, and I would imagine it arrives a lot quicker. Amazon Prime especially. I'm going to say out of all the grips I've tried that aren't L bracket, I should say, because that's 3 now, I think that's more than enough. This might be the best bang for buck. Really well built. Extra nice grip. Nice little touches there. And there, don't remember that being on the other. I guess that logo is pretty cool, but it's kind of irrelevant to me, but it's kind of snazzy. I'd change that, although honestly, I'd get rid of it. Yeah. I mean, I can't get the whole Damian brown on there, or Damian, doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah, nice little bits and pieces. All things considered, it's a very pleasant surprise. Oh, one other thing, I remembered what this was actually. You can buy it, but you can't open it. 10th anniversary thing here. I remembered what it was afterwards. It's a lot smaller than I thought, which is very cool. Ooh, nice weight to it. We've got a little multi-tool kit there. That's very cool. I am going to be keeping, of course I'm going to be keeping it, but I am going to be keeping it close to hand in my tool bag. Throw it in the kit bag, to be fair. Quite cool, that. Would have been cool if we had a little knife on there. Nice. I'll put a link up as well so you might fancy it. It's pretty cool. Glad I didn't buy it because I don't buy tools. But yeah, nice touch. Anyway, that's SmallRig, and they seem to be doing absolute bits, as the youngsters say these days. I always thought it was all marketing and all more expensive, and on some videos I've accidentally said SmallRig instead of Small HD and vice versa. But here we are. Very nice. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.